মন মানস মধুকর মর্পয় নিজ পদ পঙ্কজ মকরন্দে যদ্যপি সমাধিষু বিদ্যুরপি পশ্যতি নত্যব্য নখাগ্রিচম মনস মধুকর মধুকর পর্পয় নিজ পদ মধুকর হানি আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড দ্যাট মন মানস মধুকর মর্পয় নিজ পদ মকরন্দে it is explanation is very sweet honey it is Mahaprabhu Krishna Vandana he telling Mahaprabhu also Shiksha also na dhanang na janang na sundaryang kavitang vajagati cha kamaya মম জন্ম ন জন্মনেশ্বরে ভবিত হয়তো বিপরীত নাহি মাগি স্বর্গ আর মোক্ষ নাহি মাগি না করি প্রার্থনা কোনো বিভূতিরও লাগি we are not asking any heaven or moksha mukti means liberation না করি প্রার্থনা কোনো বিভূতিরও লাগি নিজ কোন কর্ম দোষে যে যে গুণ পাই জন্মে জন্মে যেন তব গুণ গাই এনি বার্থ প্রভু ইউ ক্যান গিভ মি অল টাইম উই ক্যান গ্লোরিফাই ইউর ফার্স্ট টাইম মহাপ্রভু ইজ শিক্ষাষ্ট চেতন দর্পণ মার্জন তব মহাভাতবাগ নির্বাপনং সৃষ্ট কৈরব চন্দ্রিকা বিতরণং বিদ্যাবত জীবনম আনন্দাবতী বর্ধনং প্রতিপদং পূর্ণামৃত আস্বাদনম সর্বাত্ম শবনং পর বিজয়তে শ্রীকৃষ্ণ সংকীর্তনম very nice you can practice in this way Manjari is a small girl but she should practicing properly. That is very nice. But sometimes illusory environment is very powerful. Take us, remove us from the service. That is Mayare Korea joy, Sarana joy, Sadhu Gurur Kripa Bina na dekhi upay. We cannot conquer the illusory environment without the mercy of Sadhu Guru Vaishnava. Sadhu Guru Vaishnava. Without their mercy. But they are always praying to their lotus feet, please rescue, please save me from the illusory environment. Okay. Maharaj, too much late today.
You are in Damdam Park, Maharaj?
Yes, I am in Damdam Park. I am in Damdam Park. Today I was very busy, whole day out. Came 2 o'clock, 2:30. Morning and tomorrow also again. On Wednesday lockdown, then not go out. So many days. Krishna is giving. Krishna is giving that opportunity. We can see everybody, all the meet together. Gurudev one time told me, you are always going to the corrupt field, always making the building. Sometimes you are reading the books. You are getting. Have you get time to read the books? And I asked Gurudev what books I should read. He told, first you read Gauriya Kanthahar. And immediately I sent someone to Mayapur. From Chaitanya Math I bought that books, Gauriya Kanthahar. Gurudev told, if you remind that books, all books is memory, then you will be a 70% preacher. You will be a 70% preacher. Then after that he allowed me to read Chaitanya Charitamrita night time. Only reading. That time not so much understand. But reading every all time reading. Sometimes some understand, not some understand. Something not understand. Understand. Gurudev always telling, Krishna jodi sute bhakte bhakti mukti diya Kabhu bhakti na den rakhen lukaiya. Gurudev telling me, Krishna jodi sute bhakte bhakti mukti diya Kabhu bhakti na den rakhen lukaiya. If somebody asking to the Lord, giving some bhakti, money, enjoyment, some kind of liberation, Krishna is giving him, and Krishna make him happy. But he hiding that devotion from him. Bhakti nadeno na bhakti naden rakeno lukaya. Gurudev telling very nice. And Gurudev's explanation is very nice. When he is explanation about Rasaraj Mahabhav Chaitanya Swarup, when he is showing, Mahaprabhu is showing his Rasaraj Mahabhav to Rai Ramananda in the bank of Godavari, Kabur. And Rasaraj Mahabhav, Eve Devi Dekhi Tomar Krishna Panchalika, Eve Dekhi Tomar Bangshi Vadan Roop. This is Gurudev is always reciting. I remembering that. Gurudev came in this mission, is 17 years old, very young boy. That time he can remind everything, memories. But I already passed my time to cultivation the land and making the building. I did not get time to read so much. Understand. But by the mercy of Gurudev, what I am learning, what I learned from my Gurudev, that is thinking is okay, not necessary more than that. Dandavat Srila Janardhan Maharaj, I am giving my full obeisance to you all, and Srila Ashram Maharaj also, Dandavat.
Dandavat Maharaj, we are here to serve you.
Okay, Dandavat, all the Vaishnavas,
Dandavat,
Maharaj.
Acharya Maharaj, Dandavat.
Dandavat, please.
Maharaj.
Srila Trivikram Maharaj, forgive my offense.
No, Maharaj, you are kind and you still accept me. This is a miracle.
Yes, why I not accept? Gurudev accept you. Why I will reject you?
Because
I have
I'm
no
just
power.
a
I have no power. I have no power to reject you. Gurudev already accept you. Gurudev gave you shelter. That is very important. Gurudev gave somebody to shelter, and I have to serve him. That is my duty.
Okay, Maharaj, you were very kind. I'm very happy to be part of the meeting. I cannot be in all the meetings. As soon as possible, I will be part of the meeting. And I had a dream, like, going to sleep and two names came to my mind, Nrsimhapali, and I'm wondering why this name. I'm thinking I have to collect some money for Nrsimhapali.
Okay. Thank you. Gracias.
Okay, Maharaj.
Dhanyavad. Thank you. Thank you. Ravindra Krishna Prabhu is now resting. He is Singapore time. Ravindra Krishna. Mahalakshmi.
Dandavad.
Today Shankar came. And Shankar is how far from your flat, from your house? Ravindra Krishna's house, how far to Shankar house?
Maybe about half an hour.
By driving.
Yeah, driving about 20 minutes to half an hour. Yeah.
Oh, here is Joyvardhan have.
Yes,
Who
Maharaj.
is talking? Who is talking?
Jayavardhan.
Yuga.
Yes, Joyvardhan. Yes, Juga, yes.
ধন্যবাদ মহারাজ
ধন্যবাদ।
আমি কি একটা প্রশ্ন জিজ্ঞেস করবো মহারাজ?
হ্যাঁ করুন।
Maharaj, it is being said, I mean, like Srila Govinda Maharaj, Gurudev himself told this, that Nityananda Prabhu is the controller of the entire Sampradaya. And on the other hand, it is being said, it is very difficult to understand Nityananda Prabhu because he is unpredictable and it's very difficult to understand what is his real intention. Like sometimes Vrindavan Das Thakur was being chastised, but he got the highest mercy. On the other hand, sometimes Gurudev may praise somebody, but actually he is being cheated. So how a disciple can get the real deepest mercy of Gurudev and Nityananda Prabhu? This is my question, Maharaj.
It is depends upon practitioner, Maharaj. Is sometimes Gurudev chastising, like you know that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Gurudev told me Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is praising Sanatana Goswami, and Jagadananda Pandit does not like that. Jagadananda Pandit does not like that. He is little bit like envy of Sanatana, and that does not like that. And sometimes Gurudev also, who is the dearmost, who is the near person that Gurudev is telling so many bad things, telling about me, he is somebody. And she told me, oh, your Guru is not loves you, not like you. I understood. It is Gurudev's games, Gurudev's place. Gurudev's, it is telling Gurudev not from his heart. He is telling like this. For that, it is very difficult to understand Guru. It is very difficult to understand Nityananda. It is who only knows Gurudev, who can understand Gurudev. I remember that time when Gurudev is making Siddhadev Goswami Maharaj's Vigraho, and that time, and Srila Janardhan Maharaj told, who can understand Srila Guru Maharaj? And Gurudev came and left his Janardhan Maharaj's feet and told, yes, Maharaj, you are correct. Who can understand Guru Maharaj? Who can understand Guru Maharaj? That is, for this reason, who can understand Gurudev? It is very difficult. It is very few person can understand Gurudev or Nityananda Prabhu. Understand? This is main things. Gurudev always is merciful And Gurudev always taking love and affection for everybody who can accept. Gurudev told many times. Gurudev, some is Siddhar Maharaj's sister Ramadevi. He asking to Gurudev. She asks to Gurudev, "Jai Guru Maharaj, take you successor, you are not that time alive." And then Gurudev told, "I cannot keep the water in the pot of the hole, the hook or the whole pot, like on hole in the pot. Understand? For that I am trying, and I am thinking who can carry my flax." Chaitanya Saraswati flax. That I am thinking. But still I could not sue anybody. That I told from before. That is very, very difficult to understand to Gurudev. Gurudev told many things. Understand? I can already, somebody have two legs. One leg is already in the way to and one leg is out come out. And one of the who is the fortunate soul, his one leg also Vaikuntha, another leg is outside. So what is the outside leg that already go in the inside to the body? That Gurudev taught.
Yes, Maharaj. Thank you so much.
Okay, very nice to see you all. Now, what is called? His father's name is Jai Shankar. Jai Shankar Prabhu. Jai Shankar, you have any car?
Car. No car, Maharaj. No car.
Jai Shankar, no
No car,
car.
Maharaj. Anything, Maharaj?
We will drive him later, Maharaj. Send him home.
Okay.
He goes to the most difficult places, Maharaj.
Maharaj?
Okay.
Maharaj?
He goes to the...
Yes.
I've actually taken one small space in Singapore, a small space to do my business, preaching for every day with your blessings. Your blessings.
Still your that what is stone business?
Yeah, Maharaj, I'm still doing this.
Sitting business.
No, Maharaj. Not teaching. So far, people get some good things, some material things. That is one side. But the main purpose is to, get some money for family and then the service.
If you only 10 rupees expense, then you in the Puri you will get on diamond.
Oh.
Only 10 rupees they are selling in diamond,
No, Maharaj. This one real certificate. I want to present you some gems also.
Okay, Andavad Maharaj. Now I am closing. I am giving to my full obeisance to everyone. जय ओं विष्णुपाद जगतगुरु श्रीला भक्ति सुंदर गोविंद देव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय।
जय
विश्ववरेण्य श्रीला गुरु महाराज की जय।
जय
ओं विष्णुपाद जगतगुरु श्रीला भक्ति रक्षक श्रीधर देव गोस्वामी महाराज की जय।
जय
ओं विष्णुपाद भगवान श्रीला भक्ति सिद्धांत सरस्वती गोस्वामी ठाकुर रूपाद की जय। रूपानुग गुरु वर्ग की जय। जय ऑल द assembled devotees की जय। ऑल द वर्ल्ड वाइड devotees की जय।
जय।
जय श्री बलदेव प्रभु आविर्भाव तिथि महोत्सव की जय।
जय
all the assembled devotees की श्री भक्ति विश्व आश्रम महाराज की जय। श्रीला भक्ति विजय त्रिविक्रम महाराज की जय। all the world devotees की जय। all the assembled devotees की जय। all the world wide devotees की जय। श्री शांत महाराज की जय। कीर्तन की जय। श्रीमद शांत महाराज की जय। श्रीमद भक्ति विज्ञान मौनी महाराज की जय। all the world wide devotees की जय।
जय।
निताई गौर प्रेमानंदे
हरि हरि बोल।
जय। श्रीला त्रिविक्रम महाराज की जय।
Jai Srila Acharya Maharaj.
Thank you for the nice version. Dandabad.
धन्यवाद धन्यवाद। वेरी नाइस
Maharaj for this nice
Hare Krishna, Gurudev, Hare Krishna.
Dandabad para todos. Fue un encuentro muy hermoso, muy lindo.
Jaya Guru Deva, Jaya Guru
महाराज